Hello guys, welcome to Code Container. Today we are going to learn HTML attributes. An HTML attribute provides additional information about an HTML element. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name and value pairs like name is equal to value. The href attributes. HTML links are defined with anchor tag. The link address is specified in the href attribute. We use links in href attribute. The source attribute. Images are defined with the image tag. The file name of the image source is specified in the src attribute. The width and height attribute. HTML images also have width and height attributes, which specifies the width and height of an image. Width and height are specified in pixels by default. The alt attribute. The alt attribute specifies an alternative text to be used if an image cannot be displayed. The value of this attribute can be read by screen readers. The style attribute is used to specify the styling of an element like color, font, size, and many more. The language attribute. The language of the document can be declared in the HTML tag. The language is declared with the language attribute. The first two letters specify the language. If there is a dialect, add two more letters. Declaring a language is important for accessibility applications and search engines. The title attribute. Here, a title attribute is added to the p element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the paragraph. So finally, we have learned that all HTML elements can have attributes. The title attribute provides additional tooltip information. The href attribute provides address information for links. The width and height attributes provide size information for images. The alt attribute provides text for screen readers. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos.